Hello children, today we will discuss about pronouns. So what are pronouns? A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. What is pronoun children? A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. It means it is a word used instead of a noun. Uh, and we use pronoun to avoid the repetition of nouns. It doesn't look good or it makes the sentence complicated when we repeat the nouns. Let's see some examples. Rahul called me because Rahul had something to discuss. So Rahul called me because, again we don't need to use Rahul. We can use here the pronoun he. So what's the sentence? Rahul called me because he had something to discuss. If we repeat the names, so it doesn't look good. So we use here pronoun. Let's take next example. The dog was barking for the dog was hungry. The dog was barking. Again, no need to write the dog. We can use the pronoun here it. So the sentence is the dog was barking because it was hungry. So here he and it are pronouns. There are so many pronouns like he, she, it, they, etc. So for girls we use the pronoun she, and for boys we use the pronoun he, and for non-living things and animals we use it. Now let's see the types of pronoun. Uh, the first type of pronoun is personal pronoun. What is personal pronoun? Personal pronouns are pronouns that we use in place of names of place or thing. What is personal pronoun? Personal pronouns are pronouns that we use in place of names of people, places or things. Subjective case. Pronouns used as subject of sentence. Now here you see in the sentence there is always a subject. Subject you already know about whom or what we talk in a sentence, that is a subject. Let's take the example. She is a girl. She is used here as the subject of the sentence. Like first example, she is a girl. If I say Shreya is a girl, and instead of Shreya I have used here she is a girl. Next is objective case. Pronoun used as objects. For example, my father gifted me a bicycle. Here, me is a personal pronoun and it is used as object of the sentence. So, these are personal pronouns. It is also important to know the pronouns of three persons. First persons are I, we, me, us, mine, our. Uh, Next, second persons are you or yours. And third persons he, she, him, her, they, them, their, its. So I hope you understood the personal pronoun. I am repeating what is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun are pronouns that we use in place of names of people, places or things. Possessive pronoun. What is next pronoun? Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are those pronouns that indicate possession or ownership. What is possessive pronoun? Possessive pronouns are those pronouns that indicate possessions or ownership. It shows us ownership. Whose? An adjective, you have also done it. Possessive adjective. Now, only different is that in possessive adjective, the adjective mine, our, his, her, there will be no s at the end. But here you see in possessive pronoun there will be s in most of word like yours, ours, hers, its, theirs are all possessive pronoun. Look at the examples. This pencil is mine. He owns that. It is his. So these sentences are showing the ownership whose. So these are possessive pronouns. Next is reflexive pronoun. What is reflexive pronoun? Reflexive pronouns are used when a person or thing acts by itself. When the subject is singular, we use self, and when the subject is plural, we will use selves. Let's take the example. They did the work themselves. So here there is plural, so we have used here themselves, selves here. And next sentence is the old man often talks to himself. And this sentence subject is singular, so we have used here self. So these are reflexive pronouns. Next is interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are pronouns that introduce question. Interrogative means, you have done in the sentences also. Interrogative means questions. So interrogative pronouns are pronouns that introduce question. For example, what are they doing there? What is your name? So these are interrogative pronoun. And next is demonstrative pronoun. What are demonstrative pronouns? Demonstrative pronouns are those pronouns which point out to nouns. The pronouns which point out to nouns, so they are called demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, those are demonstrative pronouns. For example, this cat is naughty. Those mangoes are sweet. So these nouns are pointing out to nouns. That's why they are demonstrative pronouns. Now look at the table here and read it and learn it. And now look, if the subject is I, the object will be me. And possessive case, it means in possessive pronouns we will use mine. If the subject is you, then object will be you, and possessive case is yours. If the subject are he, she, it, the objective case will be him, her, and it, and possessive case his, hers, its. If the subject is we, the objective case will be us, and possessive case ours. If the subject is they, the object will be them, and possessive case theirs. So children, learn this table, and I hope you understood the pronouns. So do practice of pronouns at your home.